Hi, Tom and Kimmy. As you know, I'm Shellie from Sun Lawyers, and I've come along with you today for your second viewing of the fantastic Resale Villa. Oh, what questions have you got?
Honestly, Shellie, standing here on the second viewing, it all feels quite real now. The villa is stunning, but our heads are spinning with, what ifs and questions.
Actually, that's quite normal. It's a big investment for you.
We absolutely love the vibe here. We've just had stories about the community fees. Would you be able to clarify those for us, please?
Well, absolutely. The Santa Rosalia resort is such a high-end resort. It's got the Lagoon, it's got the beach club, it's got security, and it's going to have much, much more. So there's obviously going to be community fees, but we, as lawyers, we check that for you before you sign. We check whether they're paid monthly, quarterly, and we can ask for the community statutes to check that they're healthy in themselves.
And obviously the fees, I presume there'd be an annual increase. I'm just worried, will we get any surprises?
There's no surprises. Any increase would have to go to an annual general meeting where the community of owners, so people like yourselves, can take a vote on any increase that's got to be made, whether it's fair or not.
Shellie, this is part of our retirement plan. If we just decided to downsize or move back to the UK in 10 years, for example, is that a good plan?
Well, from a legal and marketing perspective, the resort at Rosalia is liquid, which means that it's attractive to many international investors buying here. So, yes. And of course, we can calculate a capital gains tax for you, even give you an indication of what it will be from the start, so you know you can put that into your plans for the future.
We're thinking maybe in the future we'd like to maybe do some modifications, put in some glass curtains and maybe solar panels. What's the sort of developing rights on that?
So, if you're considering installing solar panels or adding glass curtains, both are excellent upgrades, improving energy efficiency, comfort and overall property value. But before proceeding, it's important that checking community's regulations and obtain approval from the resort's community of owners.
Kimmy, Tom, do you have any further questions for me?
We're just thinking about our wills. At the moment we have British wills. Would we need to have a Spanish will as well?
Okay, from a legal point of view, you can have a UK will, but it can be very complicated and lengthy. So I always advise clients to make a Spanish will, which makes it a lot easier. And of course, it's very important to make sure that it's read by your own domiciled law. So you would mention there you want it read by UK law, to avoid the problems with the Spanish inheritance law, which includes forced heirship, meaning you might not always inherit what you're supposed to.
Shellie, it is such a relief having you here, and I have to say you're really turning the stress into excitement.
Well, that's why it's important to have an independent lawyer right from the start.
Agreed.
So, here's to you and your new home.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salud.
Salud.